So for thumbnails in this class, I'm looking for at least 6 thumbnails, and you want to make sure that your thumbnails are the size of your paper that you're going to work off of, the dimension. So say for instance, if I'm making a poster, I want it to be looking in portrait. I want to make sure that my thumbnails are as big as my thumb and are somehow the same dimension as that. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some thumbnails. I personally like to have my paper in landscape mode while I do this. I think it just looks nicer. Another thing I quite enjoy to do is to label them A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3, some kind of way that when I communicate with others, especially digitally, it's an easy way of referring to, oh, I really like what you did on A, but could you add a little bit of the background from E on it? Now, I already know this is a party poster for pirates, so I need to start thinking about where I want to put my text. I have a shortcut. I like to personally put my titles in boxes. Maybe I might want to think about where I want to put my number placement. Maybe I know when the party is. Maybe it's 9:23. And gonna then I start sketching out ideas. And they don't have to be completely thought out or super well drawn. They just need to be ideas. I can even write out the words if I don't want to use this kind of block style. I think this morning I'm feeling like I want a very text heavy poster. But this allows me to loosen myself up and kind of get some ideas. And this is just working off of a very easy theme for pirates, trying to kind of make it look as piratey as I can with what I previously talked about. And these are the ideas that are directly from my brainstorming process. If I have an idea like this is the R of a pirate, let me go ahead. I'm going to erase this a little bit because I've got a better idea. And it's always good to work small because it's really about readability, legibility of the idea. And then maybe I can have like a map background for this one, maybe. And then the information for, I guess, whoever's house this is going to be. Maybe there's an X there. This is more of a text-based approach. I'm not quite sure if I like that, but it's an idea. Doesn't matter. Doesn't have to be perfect. It's about kind of getting these things out as quickly as possible. Oh yeah, maybe I have a, I forgot, maybe I should have a pirate ship. And notice that I'm kind of working off of similar ideas, but I'm trying to make certain variants of them. And then I might go back to looking at what else could I use from my, okay, I haven't used the mood board yet, or flags. Maybe there's like a hole in the ground. And there's kind of gold on the ground where someone's taken off with the treasure. And then finally, I think I'm gonna go back to what else? I need an iPad. Okay, yeah, maybe an actual pirate, huh? So figuring out, I don't really know what a pirate's hat looks like, but that's something where I might need to do a little research. So that's as far as I'm going to take it for these thumbnails. So, for once I get feedback from the client or once I get feedback from you guys, I would go ahead and see which one is best or mix and match certain ones together. Like currently, I think I really like um, A and B. So, in order to um, proceed with my choices, I might redraw another version of A and B or see if I can bring that R from the party to one of those. So when we get back, we'll go ahead and take a look at my revision and how we would do color comps.